today we are going to do another unboxing video. As you can see here in the back, I have a unicorn trainer, my life as a unicorn trainer doll, and I've been wondering, my unicorn trainer has nowhere to sit, nowhere to do her hair, and nowhere to, I don't know, do her makeup. So today I got a My Life as a Vanity set. As you can see here, there is a mirror which lights up, and some makeup things right here, a unicorn bag, which is actually quite good because my doll is right now a unicorn trainer, and now she has a unicorn bag. And there's also a pink fluffy chair. And I don't know if you can open this, but we're gonna find out. So as you can see in the back right here, it shows another doll, and it's using the Vanity set. It says here there are 12 pieces, and here are some of the pieces. One vanity table, one stool, one cosmetic bag, I think. Yeah, I think it's cosmetic bag. 3, a makeup brush. 1, a lipstick. 4, a lipstick. 5, perfume bottle. 6, foundational compact. 7, foundational puff. 7, 8, eyeshadow and blush palette. And last is sheet of gem earring stickers from here. There we go. Ah, yes, it's finally open. Here's some brushes. Another brush. Oh my gosh, everything is stuck. Okay, we have this. I think we need the scissors now. There we go. We have the eyeshadow palette. Oh, there we go. Now we close. And then here's the... there we go. Put this here. And the perfume bottle. Oh, I smell amazing. Lipstick. And I feel something in the bag. I can open the bag. That's cool. What's inside here? I don't know, but it's cool. I can open the bag. I can use this bag. My doll doesn't need to use this bag. Or maybe she might need to use this bag. I'm not quite sure, but it's mine now. I get to decide. Now let's open this part. There we go. So much packaging. I should rather cut the whole box, right? I think I should cut the whole box. Wait, what? I didn't know this. There's this thing so you can open. I feel so... I could have saved so much time if I just knew it. Or if somebody was here, they could have told me earlier. Time to take this vanity table off. There you go, finally. The vanity table is out. Let me get the scissors. Cut. This is on. I see why I was struggling. Finally, we got it out after so long. careful. Okay. Now, get this off. We have some tape. Okay, I opened it. Here are her earrings. I remember on the package it said something about earrings, and I think this might be the earrings, but I don't know what are these 4 dots for. But I know these 2 are for earrings. And now, can you open this? You can open it. So you can put the excess stuff in there. There's a little bit of tape right here. Let me take that off. And I think we're about done. Now we're finally done. Here's the thing that lights up, and now let's put everything together. So we got the stool, the fluffy stool. I could put my head on here and sleep. Portable pillow. We could put this right over here. The backpack can be right over here. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna put this in the backpack so it can stand up. There we go. Look, now it stands up perfectly. If this wasn't in the thing, it will just like collapse, like outfits, like what I'm wearing right now. It will just collapse. I'll put the perfume right here. The lipstick right here. The paint palettes. I guess I'll put it like this. Oh no, I'll put it in the drawer. The brushes. This in, put this in. Where's the other brush? Okay, put this in. There we go. And then get the paint palette, which you can open up and close. I'll put it right here. This thing where you like do the blush like this. Put it right over here and put the thing right here, I guess. Okay, there we go. Put this right here. And we have anything else? Oh yeah, this. I'll put this in the drawer. And close the drawer. And now all these excess parts, we'll put them behind the vanity table where no one can see. La la la. Just a normal day in a normal house. Let me sit down. Down. I can't make you sit down. Let me get this unicorn band off you. Ah, there we go. There we go. Yay! Now she's sitting down. There we go. Put her unicorn band on her. Why is it so hard to get a doll ready? I mean, like probably getting a human ready is way more harder, but I can't even make her sit down. Okay, there we go. Get this, make her sit. There we go. I'm just gonna hold her just in case, you know? I think I'll put a little bit of blush. I put too much. Okay, maybe some lipstick. And, let me smell myself. What did I eat today? Let me try some perfume. Ooh, this smells like, I smell like strawberry now. I love strawberries. And I'll get some earrings. There we go. One earring done. And put other ear. I can't see your other ear. I look beautiful. Let me check in my tiny mirror too. I still look beautiful in the tiny mirror. I think I've done it. I've achieved my goal. Yay! thanks for watching my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. Light up.